welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know it's been a long time since I posted, but it was Diwali and we had exams and projects and stuff, but now they're all over and we have holidays, so I have a lot of time to shoot. And today we're going to be doing the most likely to questions, sister edition. So how it goes is like Garima and I have a bowl of water and Avantika is going to be asking us the questions. Whoever is most likely to, she will dunk our heads in the water. So that's how it goes. So let's get started. The question.
Who is most likely to order a pizza within the next 24 hours?
Oh, for sure. Garima wants to eat.
Okay. Who's most likely to cancel plans at the last second? Who is most likely to bring home a stray puppy?
Oh, for sure. I think these two for sure.
Who is most likely ready to sleep anywhere? Who is most likely to be the first one to die in a zombie apocalypse?
Why me?
Who is most likely to shave their head for some reason?
I think Avantika for sure. Avantika.
Nobody. Who is most likely to lock herself out of the house?
Garima. She's so forgetful. She leaves the door open half of the time when we leave. Oh my god.
Who is most likely to pull a Kanye on an award stage? Gari.
What? I think Garima was the naughty one.
Who is most likely to start their own business?
Oh!
None of them. Who is most likely to become a professional gambler? Gari. Anushka. Yeah, don't stop using my Who is most likely to give all the money to charity? None of them.
Avantika.
Normal Avantika. Who is most likely to be a stand-up comedian? I think both.
She's taking all the revenge on us because of this. I'm soaking wet.
Okay. Who is most likely to be a flirt? Gari.
What? Yeah.
Who is most likely to skydive? I think none of them. Both of them are very scared. Who is mostly to accidentally kill someone? I think both of them.
No!
I would never kill one. Okay. Who is most likely to fall whilst walking?
It's true, it's very true. Oh my god.
Who is most likely to have an ugly date to prom?
Very true. This is so bad.
Who is most likely to be a good cook? I think none of them. They can't cook
Oh
for
my god, I
us.
hate cooking.
No.
This question comes like literally in all my videos and I think by now everybody knows I'm a very bad cook. I can never be a cook.
Who is most likely to fall in love? Who is most likely to get arrested? Gari.
What? Why me? They were very naughty, yeah? She looks like innocent and sweet.
Okay. Who is most likely to cheat on a test? Shameless.
Everybody, not only us.
Who is most likely to act on a crush?
Oh, correct. I think it will become very obvious if I ever did that.
Yeah.
But I cannot.
Who is most likely to start a fire?
Oh my god, this was your summer.
What did you say? Who is most likely to have the worst taste in music? Garima.
What?
Who is most likely to win the lottery?
I think.
Doesn't really matter.
Oh my god, I feel like I'm getting down with both of them. I swear to god.
Who is most likely to be high maintenance?
Not yeah, I swear to god.
I am not doing this one. Most likely to burp in a crowded room.
No, this is not done. Yes, it is that.
every day. Who is
Shut
most
up,
likely? Who is most likely to be filthy rich? No, none of them are capable. Who is most likely to go bankrupt?
What?
Garima.
He's like all about you and good food. At least it's good. True.
Who is most likely to cheat on the partner? I think none of them. Hopefully. Who is likely to win a pizza eating contest?
Oh, I hate pizza. Yuck.
Who is most likely to break the world record in sleeping?
I don't say that, but it's wrong.
Who is most likely to raise sheep and live in the countryside?
Never. I would never. So would I live in big city countries.
Who is most likely to travel the world? Me.
Hey, I think all of us. We all love traveling.
Okay. Who is most likely to have plastic surgery when they get older?
I swear.
I think both.
They need oh my god. Oh, love my teacher. My teacher. The whole towel is wet now. Guys, she does this to my teacher.
Who is most likely to be forever single?
Yes.
Without a doubt.
Oh my god. Ah, god.
Who is most likely to have a gender change?
Never. What? Why me? This is not correct. What are you saying?
Who is most likely to change their name? I think me.
Yeah. Yeah. She doesn't want to be AA.
Who is most likely to be a single parent?
I don't want to think that correctly or wrong.
She only dunked herself.
Who is most likely to work part-time at McDonald's?
I think all of us.
I guess
Yeah, she
me.
works, she just eat the food. She won't work.
Who is most likely to climb to the top of a mountain?
I don't know.
None of them.
I could never even reach halfway.
Yeah. She will give up. I mean, her lungs will. Who is most likely to walk on the Great Wall of China? I think me, because none of them like walking.
Yeah. She works very slow. Huh?
Shut up.
Yeah, they do.
Who is most likely to know all sorts of alcoholic drinks?
No. Yes, because that was
Who is most likely to text their ex when they are drunk? Shut
Oh,
up.
yeah.
That's not fair.
I think we should
I don't think we.
Avantika's
Yeah, I
friend.
don't think so.
Who is most likely to become a priest?
I think she's gonna look at me, but
She's not saintly enough to become a priest, but okay.
this is not correct.
Who is most likely to get a tattoo?
No.
I don't think so.
I don't know. I just dunked myself. Who is most likely to already have a tattoo which is very well hidden?
Girl.
Some questions are meant for me. Who is most likely to have a piercing? Me, I want one.
Guys, comment down below if you want Avantika to do this challenge with us because she's not ready to.
No.
Even though we post her a lot, but let us know.
Who is most likely to become a stripper?
What? What?
She's learning to pole dance.
What are you saying?
Who is most likely to fall asleep on public transportation? Both, actually both.
Avantika falls asleep on a bus.
Shut up.
And she forgot the. Okay, so what happened? Avantika fell asleep and she missed her stop and she went 2 stops ahead. So she
Shut
didn't
up.
know what,
Shut
okay?
Who is most likely to meet the one at the most awkward time and place? See, if Anushka meets the one. If the highlight is if.
So mean.
At this guy, you have to dunk your head, you only dunk your mouth.
Who is most likely to make the first move? I think none of them.
Where? No.
We are both very shy.
Yeah, I have a lot of ego. Who is most likely
What?
to
No, I won't say
question-
rubbish.
Who is most likely to be too jealous?
What in the world was that?
It's true.
Oh my god, I hope
Who is most likely to win a cooking contest? I think me.
Yeah. You just give yourself the best one.
This is so funny. There's no water on the board.
I know.
Oh my god!
Yuck, it's gross. likely to cry in a public place? Both of them. They're so pathetic.
Oh my god! My hair.
Girl, your hair is all in your face.
Who is most likely to become a travel/fashion blogger?
Me. Oh, see,
I
she
won't
got
give
me
it
the
to you
good
that.
one.
I won't give it to you that easy.
See this, huh?
Who is most likely to get a new and extravagant haircut?
Avantika just did.
Every time in.
Who is most likely to believe in something superstitious?
Obviously. This is very
Pathetic.
In the first, I was getting dunked. Now she's getting triple times dunked.
Who is most likely to fall truly, madly, deeply in love at an old age? Shut up. Not me. What do you mean old age?
Obviously.
No, Garima.
Yes, obviously.
Who is most likely to live to be 100
Oh my
years
god,
old?
yes.
Why?
will.
How? How?
You're stupid enough to die first. We'll do something stupid for sure. Who's most likely to go to outer space? I think none of us.
I want to.
Shut up. Bond and will is a different thing.
Okay, whatever.
Who is most likely to laugh when they're not supposed to? All of us.
Oh,
All of us.
oh,
We are
You
shameless.
should not get started on that.
Come on, man. Who is most likely to be the bigger baby when they are get sick?
Uncle doing all right on us.
I think you have to do this once. No. Who is most likely to say I love you first? None of them.
I mean, I don't know. It's very.
First of all, find the one. Who is most likely to say sorry after a disagreement? None of them. No, none of them. They're very mean people.
Huh, same as you.
Who's most likely to spend all the money on fixing their looks?
What?
Both.
No.
Actually, no, none
I
of
would
them.
not.
Yeah.
No, maybe Anushka, she needs it.
That's so mean.
Who is most likely to have an arranged marriage? You. Who is most likely to make the most messiest decisions? Who is most likely to shop more? They both like shopping. It's so ew. It's dumb.
Avantika hates shopping.
It's
How can somebody hate shopping?
I like only food shopping.
Oh my god, crusties.
Who is most likely to be a bed hog? Both of them.
Oh no.
No. No, you.
We can spend the entire day sitting on bed.
With the phone.
Sitting in the bed.
Sitting in bed.
Who is most likely to fall in love with a best friend?
What?
Oh, Garima. Garima.
Garima.
How's best friend?
Who is most likely to kiss a stranger?
No.
Why you don't you dare?
You don't you dare.
Who is most likely to ask rubbish questions? Both of them.
Oh.
Shamelessly, stupidly dumb
Oh.
people.
But it's good to ask questions, huh?
Not stupid questions. Most likely to pee in a public pool? Both of them. They're too lazy to get up
Hey,
and go.
Avantika, I mean, come on.
Shut up. Who is most likely to call a teacher at midnight?
Garima. No, Garima irritates the teacher
Never.
very
Yeah,
often.
she's very
But
irritating.
not admit I'm not that stupid.
Who is most likely to catch a snake with bare hands?
Yo!
No,
I
she
hate
can't.
No, I can't.
I can't also.
Yes,
Avantika.
Yeah.
Avantika.
Avantika.
Who is most likely to eat a raw egg? None of us.
Oh, yucks.
You.
We all hate it.
Who is most likely to cheat with a best friend?
Avantika.
Avantika.
You I don't think that does.
So mean. Who is most likely to get a tattoo on their face?
No way. No, none of us have the guts.
Who said?
Yeah, she doesn't. Don't lie.
अच्छा भाई बता तब जो है
Who is most likely to elope?
Avantika.
Yes, that was just mine. I'm not saying anything.
Who is most likely to break up?
Avantika.
No.
All of the Vantika, everything, yeah?
Avantika.
I think no. Who is most likely to be divorced?
What? Dude, you're so mean. Guys, you're so mean.
Who is most likely to leave the party first?
Oh my god.
Who is most likely to set the kitchen on fire?
Oh.
Both of them shameless people.
You can also.
Avantika burned the toaster. What?
I didn't burn the
Don't
toaster.
burn it.
She made it not work with her sandwich.
It exploded.
So that's it for today. say guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. I think it was a lot of fun and very refreshing. Even the one was a really bit cheat. But do comment down below and make her do a part 2 of this video.
No.
But I hope you liked it and don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe.
And I just wanted to say that I'm just going to lose of the challenge.
No, there is no loser. This is
As she has very little water. And go check out my channel, Karima Sharma Self Promo.
Anyways guys, do subscribe, like and share and I'll see you guys next time.
Bye.
Bye.